welcome to my channel where today we have a BarkBox. And yes, I have a dog. Willow, come here. Come here, sweetheart. This is Willow. She's such a sweetheart. Oh, you're gonna shake? Good girl. Anywho, she is a Siberian Husky. She is so sweet. But this led me to thinking that I was gonna try BarkBox so I could review something a little bit different with you guys. And this is more for mine and Willow's fun. I haven't found a toy that she likes, but she does love treats, so we'll see. Let's open this box right up. Come here, Willow. All right, so we have the magnificent magic box. Why isn't this opening? I unhooked you. There we go. Okay, so this is what the inside of the box looks like when you open it up. Then you lift that, and you got all sorts of little toys in there. Oh, this is so cool. So we've got a couple of these. Do they have like an instructions on what's in here? How to BarkBox. All right, well, either way, we've got this little instructions, and it says strut your fluff. It gives you instructions on it, and then there's all sorts of welcome to BarkBox pack. So we're gonna try this. I don't know if this is gonna be her favorite thing or not, but we're gonna try. So this is a magnificent magic box. It comes with little toys, which I think she'll like this. It really crinkles, and all the toys are on the bottom of the box. So I guess we'll just go through that in a minute. But this is the Squeakuculent. It's for medium-sized dogs. It has a squeaker and a crazy crinkle. Dogs love the squeaker base and the crinkle leaves. They also love chewing on the plant. Consequence-free at last. Willow! Come here. Take the toy. She's not a toy dog, apparently. I don't know how well this BarkBox is going to work for her. Well, there's the one. That's the one toy. It's got a plant leaf. I wanted to try this for her just to see if it would work or not. This is the Relaxin' Chinchilla toy. It's for, obviously, it's got squeaker and crazy crinkle. Tuck a treat under the towel to make a squeaky toy even more irresistible. P.S. Did you know that chinchillas prefer dust baths to wet baths? This fun fact is your reward for reading this hand tag. I don't know. Okay, the squeaker's in the head. You're not going to pay any attention to it, are you? But you can tuck a little treat in here and make it something she has to work at. It's a little chinchilla. It's really cute. So I think maybe once it has a treat in it, she might really like it. We'll try that here in a minute once we go through this. Then we got the Doggy Detox toy, which it says garden flowers, little bit of trash, toilet water, kitty litter, beets, stick extracts. No, you're gonna walk away again? I might have to switch the type of box I get her, to be honest, because she's paying no attention to this. Maybe she'd be into super chewing, because I did see her chewing on a bone. Willow! So I'm back. Sorry for the interruption. Little doggy's not gonna get to try our video with us because she thought she was gonna jump up on my bed and take a squat. So she's not going to get to try these delicious treats. I have a bunch of bedding to wash at this moment. So, yeah, that'll be fun. But anyways, this box also comes with a duo stick, which is something she can chew on. I think she'll really, really like that. It'll take some time. It's like a hard and chewy. Given the fact she's not paying any attention to these toys, I might have to report that to them and see if they'll switch me to the super chewer option and see how she likes that. Because this is probably not going to work. She does really love treats. And we would have been to the fun part of the box at this point. But now she's outside trying to go potty again because she thought she needed to be naughty. Which normally she doesn't do that. I don't know what her issue was today, to be honest. So, but, there's the toys. There's the super chewer stick. When it comes to this, we'll keep this on my lap because we got the treats. But right now we have the Quacky Pot Pies duck recipe. Duck is #1. The main ingredient is your dog's main attraction. Real cage-free duck. Soft baked biscuits for dogs of all sizes with real veggies. So that's what that is. And then pork liver crunchies. 100% pork liver. Fresh pork liver is the whole treat. No ifs, ands, or buts. Freeze-dried, natural nutrition, and natural taste to delight your baby wolf. Made in Canada. Don't think I've ever heard of anything made in Canada, so that's kind of cool. But when it comes to the treats, I'm just gonna rip this open just so I can show you how this one toy would work. If it will open. Anywho, we've got these treats and we'll open them. Ooh, that would have been a yummy little treat there. But you take the little chinchilla, you kind of put it in between the legs there, and then you wrap the little blanket around it. And so it's almost like a treat that she'd have to figure out how to work out. And you can kind of see it in there. So she'd probably smell that and she'd be like, treat, and all over this toy. As for the other two, I crinkled, I squeaked. You saw what she did. She literally sat there and looked at them, which is very not normal because I've had some sorts of reviews that I've read that say dogs are all over this box. I've seen lots of excited dogs. For some reason, despite what I'm getting her, it doesn't seem to work. So I'm a little disappointed in that because I wanted to do something nice for my dog and it didn't work. But at that point, which once you get through all the stuff in the bottom of the box, that's actually what it starts looking like. It shows you all your toys in there. In this option, we had an option of none of these toys pictured are the stuff I pulled out of this box. Card tricks. Okay, so normally if they give you a BarkBox, they're showing you all the toys that were possibilities. None of these toys came in my box. And that's a little weird to me because if you're going to theme a box, you should make sure that a couple of toys that comes with the theme normally comes with it. I've got a whole different pack in here. BarkBox, you confused me, and now I'm going to have to leave an even different review. So, honestly, BarkBox for me is not a go. It's nothing against the quality of the toys. They're great. It's apparently the personality of my dog who's probably going to need a different type. My only complaint with BarkBox is messing up the theme of this box because none of these toys were in here. I expected the treats, but that makes no sense to me. Why would you make a theme and then not send people the themed toys? I'm a little upset about that. But thank you guys for joining me for a kind of different video today. If you want to see more, let me know. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. And please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you guys here. Bye!